Come with me to Gyeongbokgung Palace. We literally just arrived in South Korea and ito agad yung pinuntahan namin. But first, to get the full experience, we rented a hanbok dito sa Daehan Hanbok, malapit lang din sa palace. This hanbok rental is included sa Discover Seoul Pass that I got from Klook. If gusto nyo rin ito, you can use my code and click the link in my bio to get discounts on Klook. You can also watch my video about the Discover Seoul Pass in my profile. Anyway, if you're not aware, libre ang entrance mo sa Gyeongbokgung Palace if you're wearing a hanbok. Otherwise, you can pay the entrance fee of 3,000 Korean won. So ito pala yung napili kong hanbok kaya on to the palace we go. We were here on a Saturday at around 11:30 AM and guys, sobrang daming tao. But that did not stop us from having fun and exploring the palace grounds. This was built in 1395 which makes this palace 630 years old. This was the main royal palace of the Joseon dynasty and it literally means palace greatly blessed by heaven. Feeling jewel in the palace ako for today's video while exploring. I did not expect na sobrang lawak pala ng palace ground, so make sure to wear comfortable shoes. Pinaka na-enjoy ko yung kanilang garden at itong pond, it's so tranquil and peaceful. May mga staff din pala dito sa palace in traditional clothes and you can take photos with them and they also put on a show. Medyo mahirap lang kumuha ng mga shots because sobrang daming tao talaga. And nung paalis na kami, marami pang dumadating. So I suggest weekday kayo pumunta, baka less crowded. Pinuntahan din pala namin ang Changgyeonggun Palace and honestly, mas na-enjoy ko yon. I'll post about it on my next video kaya like and follow for more. Okay, thanks, bye!